up, Diva fam, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Obviously, you can tell by the title down below, we are going over my BoxyCharm base box for the month of February. So obviously, the theme for this month is going to be on the Valentine's Day side. If you guys didn't see my previous unboxing, I did my premium box already, which was amazing. Amazing, because the palette that I got in it, if you guys haven't seen that video, I'll link it down below for you guys as well. But without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump into this video. So you guys know the gist. If you like videos like this, don't forget this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to go ahead and hit that notification bell down below so you never miss a video with me, your girl Sandra D, and let's just go ahead and get into this. Alright, so again, this is our BoxyCharm base box for the month of February. And in this month, obviously, for our base box, it's typical. We get 5 full-size products. We pay about $27, $28. I forget what the price increase is. If I find out, put it over here for you guys. But in general, we get 5 full-size products. We're supposed to get better products now that the prices increase. We're supposed to get a better variety of stuff. If you guys don't know what BoxyCharm is, it's just basically a monthly subscription box where you get makeup and skincare and tools based on the personal quiz that you take. Then they curate kind of the stuff for you. There is a little bit of customization where you get to pick 1 item for your base box, 2 items for your premium box, and 3 items for like your Boxy Luxe box. So I think that's pretty much how that works. I always have a referral link down below for you guys if you guys want to go ahead and try it out. If this is your first time to my YouTube channel, welcome. I do these unboxings all the time. At the end of my subscription unboxings, because I still have 1 more to film after this, which is my Glam Bag X by Ipsy, I do a monthly giveaway for US. I also do international giveaways as well. So if you're an international subscriber, please make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe down below, because I also will have giveaways for you guys as well. So again, we're going to go over the BoxyCharm base box for February. So the theme, like I told you guys, is Valentine's. It says, be my Glamantines. Cheesy, but okay, whatever. So the first thing right on top we have is a Wander Beauty Escape palette right here for us. Now, I think we've seen like the smaller version of this one, maybe. I feel like the packaging always looks the same. For this, we were looking at $42. It features hyaluronic acid in the textures of this, along with rosehip seed oil to help smooth out dry skin. The palette includes a mixture of neutrals, bold colors, shimmers, satins, matte finishes to create a crease-proof for all day wear. So the shades are pretty much on the back, as you guys can see right there for you. I did open this up to look at it the other day when I got this, because it was the first thing on top. I was kind of curious. I have a few things by Wander Beauty. You guys know I actually really do love the brand, because their Unleashed mascara is like one of my favorite mascaras. But like this palette has a lot of like neutrals in it, and that's something I already have in my collection. So I'm definitely gonna go ahead and put this off to the side. I know my mom's been really wanting a neutral type of palette and something that has a little bit of shimmer in it, and I know this is a great brand, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and just put this to the side and give that to my mom later on, because she is like been looking for a palette. Okay, so moving on to the next item we have in here, there is a Bali Balm Pineapple Lip Scrub. So it's $23, a traditional lip scrub. It is a new launch in BoxyCharm. I have plenty of lip scrubs already, so I'm going to go ahead and pass this on for you guys in this month's giveaway. Again, if you guys didn't see the previous video, I did already have 1 item put aside for that giveaway. So there is that. So this is the second item. Then the third item that we have in this box is going to be this Detox Mask, which is a green tea blend with matcha, lemongrass, and clay. I have so much skincare, so I'm going to go ahead and pass this on to you guys as well for the giveaway for this month, and that retails for $29.99, so $30 in general. Alright, the next item, I'm really excited about this one. This is the Illamasqua hydrating setting spray. This is worth $26. Right now I'm in the middle of decluttering my collection. You guys haven't seen that video come up yet, or maybe you will be by the time this one is posted. If you guys haven't seen that one, I'll link it down below for you guys, but I am doing a decluttering series as well right now on my YouTube channel, where I'm going through my makeup, because you guys know I get these subscription boxes all the time, so sometimes it's just best for me to declutter every once in a blue moon too. And I'm also trying to, I also did a video inventorying my collection as well, so I can kind of see where I'm at, because I'm trying not to buy makeup, but I still keep buying it anyways. It's hard. It is real hard when you've got like multiple like discounts and things going on, and mystery boxes from brands I've never tried before, because I got Manny's box and I'm so in love with it. So in love. But again, this is a hydrating setting spray, so I'm definitely going to go ahead and keep that one because I've actually been interested in trying more from Illamasqua. I have a like hydro face mask kind of moisturizer thing, and I'm in love with it. This next one is by Ace Beauty. This is their Glow Essential Highlighter Palette. And I took a peek at this one too, and I'm actually really intrigued by this one. So I'm actually going to go ahead and keep this one for myself. So, but it is really, really beautiful. So this is what the packaging looks like. And then the inside is stunning. Just look. Sorry, I'm trying not to blind you guys, but at the same time, those shades are so stunning, and a lot of those actually look like they will go really well with my skin complexion because I'm actually very pale right now. So you've got icy, glowing, popping, radiant, gleaming, and beaming. So again, a very beautiful highlighter palette. You guys can see there's actually really a lot of like light pale tones compared to maybe these two. Might be a little bit too dark for me, but might be better for me when I am tan. But the rest of them, I'm good. And I know Ace Beauty is a really great brand because I've actually had a few of their eyeshadow palettes recently. So I'm definitely intrigued to try this palette out for sure. So that is everything that we got in our collection. I don't know where I left my phone at because I know I sat it down. 2 seconds. Okay, so now that I've got my phone, let's go ahead and add this up really quickly. Come on, come on, come on. I'm racing against the clock because it's 12:19. My fiance's on his way home, and I tried to film really quickly as I got off of work because my makeup looks beautiful. I like my makeup today. So, and it's like 12 o'clock at night, like I just said. Anyways, okay, so the total price of this box is supposed to be over $125. So we'll see where this actually gets us to. 26 and then 23. So we're at $161. So I think you guys can see that because my phone's on nighttime mode. So $161, the value of this box. I think we actually got a pretty good box, but I definitely would say that my premium box probably was the better one just because of the Mercury Retrograde palette that I got from Huda Beauty that was in it. But I do really think that, you know, this is a really pretty palette. So is the highlighter one, and then obviously the other two are more like lip and skincare, and then obviously a setting spray. So we got 3 makeup products, 2 type of like skincare type of items. So I think this is a really great mixture of a box for sure as well. So not bad, not bad. It's getting a little bit better. So there is that. So that is the end of this video. So again, these are the 2 items that are going into this month's giveaway along with the other item that was in the previous unboxing. Now I just need to do my Ipsy Glam Bag X, and then we'll see. That will be the last video for the subscription boxes for this month, and that will also be the giveaway video. So again, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe down below so you don't miss that at all. Again, I appreciate you guys stopping by. So you guys know the gist. If you like videos like this, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Jumbling over words like always. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to go ahead and hit that notification bell down below so you never miss a video with me, your girl SANDRA D, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!